Welcome. My name is Lisa. Welcome to Pressure Crisp. Haven't seen you guys in so long. Yes, we're back in the Florida kitchen. I just got done with a year out in Tuba City in Arizona. Super long nursing assignment, so now I'm taking a little bit of a break. However, every day I am looking for a position somewhere. So that's a whole nother thing. You can check that out on my other channel, So Why Don't You? Yeah, that's my nursing gig and my adventures. There's Beastie Girl. Okay, so tonight I look terrible, but I don't care because I spent a few hours at the beach. I'm getting a little bit of color. Look. Yeah, so I spent the day at the beach and came home. I don't have everything that I want, but we're gonna make some fish tacos tonight. Okay? Oh, here, let me get her some treats. Here, baby. Come on. There you go. Sorry, I had to give the cat some treats. So this is what we have tonight. I just picked up some tilapia fillets. We're going to be using these tonight. And people have been calling me fat, so I'm switching to the carb balance. These are lower carb, only 70 calories, and the carbs are only, well, they're still high, 19, but it's better than the regular one. So everybody out there, please stop calling me fat. Thank you so much. Each piece of fish, I'm gonna season one with Old Bay. Old Bay is awesome. And I just picked this one up, this Cajun Choice Blackened Seasoning. We're gonna try this. I haven't had this one yet. And we have, of course, all the toppings. We have some guacamole, we have pico de gallo. I'm trying some mango salsa that I picked up at Seed to Table. If you're ever in Naples, Florida, go to Seed to Table. The one up on Immokalee. The other one on Davis is shut down because of the hurricane. But definitely check out Seed to Table. It's awesome. All right, so let's get this started. I suppose I should have told you guys that I'm using the newly semi-clean grill. Using the grill. I'm not using the grill insert. I hate cleaning that. I'm not gonna fib about that. This I find so much easier to work with and also clean. So we're gonna do that. Splatter screen's in. Go ahead and lower it. You can preheat, but 9 times out of 10 I don't preheat. It's up to you. But we're just gonna get the fish ready and put it in there. All right. So these are like fillets. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm gonna follow. See where this cut is? I'm just gonna follow that cut all the way down because this is thicker than this piece right here. So I'm just taking a little knife, nothing to write home about. Not a very sharp knife. All right, let's cut that all the way down. And as you can see, I mean, typical fillet, thick here, thin here. I'm okay with it. I don't mind well done fish. I'm gonna take the Old Bay, and we're gonna do Old Bay on these pieces over here. You can go ahead and squirt it with oil if you want, but I usually do it after the fact. Now remember, I think Old Bay has salt in it, so just, you might want to watch how much you're putting on there. This is just a bit of avocado oil. You can do this right in the basket as well, but I had it in a plate, so I'm just going to do it this way. There we go. There. The oil just makes it stick just a bit better. This is the blackened, but blackened usually you sear it, we're air frying. We're just going for the seasoning, we're just going to see what it tastes like. Looks the same as the other one. We better make sure we, oh shoot. Actually, it sticks pretty good without the oil. This is how easy you can throw this together. I just wish I had limes and my onions, my pickled onions, but that's okay. I'll make these again. Maybe I'll do, you know something, I might do a live. I haven't done a live in months. Maybe we'll make some fish tacos on the live, because it's super easy. So we're done with those. So now we're gonna pop over here. All right, okay, so we have to remember which is which. So we're gonna put the blackened on the right. Just gonna put it in just like that. And the Old Bay will be over here to the left more. There, go ahead and lower the lid. All right, so we're gonna turn the grill on. We're gonna air crisp. We're gonna keep it on 390. Now I know it's not gonna take 20 minutes. I'm gonna set it for 15. We're gonna hit start. You're gonna hit preheat to override it, and there. So now you can time your food. I'm gonna come back in like 8 minutes to check. Up a little bit of lettuce, not much, because it's just me having these toppings. All right, so we're gonna take a quick temp of this fish. I think it's done. This fish usually cooks really, really quick. All right, yeah, 165, 168. Scratch the tongs. Just gonna use a spatula. I'm thinking I probably should have sprayed that. Really good. I'll probably just have one. Whoops, they stuck together. But you can probably fit. We'll just try it. Let's see what happens. We'll just put 2 in there, lower the lid, and see what happens. I'm just afraid they might be light where they get sucked up to the top. Huh. All right, so they didn't get sucked, but they're moving there. So they've been in there not that long, so they're good enough for me. So let's. Shall we do this? Actually, let's do a taste test first. Let me keep it in the right order here. Let me grab a fork. So we have the Old Bay on this side. So let's try a piece of that. Sorry, I love Old Bay. I'm so partial to Old Bay. You get that little spice at the end. Okay. Okay, so the Cajun Choice blackened seasoning is spicier. So if you don't like spice, yeah, I would not get this one. The Old Bay just has a little bit of spice at the end. I'm just gonna take an Old Bay piece, put it right there. Like I said, I forgot limes. Definitely do not forget the limes like I did. I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream. I love these. Now what I would do, I would actually take some sour cream and squeeze lime in there, but I don't have any with. I don't have any. I just don't have any. So this pico de gallo has a little bit of lime and onion and tomato and peppers. So we're gonna add a little bit of that right onto the sour cream. It helps it stick as well, but that's what we're doing here. Now we're gonna use a little bit of guac. Oops. Okay. So I'm gonna put this together. Add some lettuce. Like, lettuce is optional, but the way I see tacos and stuff is the more veg you add, the better off you are. The better your body is as well. Especially if you use a low-carb wrap. Sorry, I'm just busting. Now, I picked this up. This is the first time I'm trying this mango salsa. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this salsa on top. This is gorgeous. Look at that. I am gonna taste this, just see what it tastes like. That is amazing. And there's your fish taco right there. I just had a ball just taking some pics, but here it is right here. I mean, semi-healthy for you, you know, the sour cream and stuff, but yeah. Oh, and don't forget the low-carb wrap. Sorry. So we're gonna try to take a bite of this. Oh, This is really good. So yeah, while I'm enjoying my evening meal at, I don't even know what time it is. Let's see. It's almost 8 o'clock, but yeah, it's all good. So I'm gonna enjoy these fish tacos, and yeah, see you on the next one. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm probably gonna do a live stream soon, eventually. I'll probably end up making these because it's super quick and easy and so good.